Alright, boys, Jaden vs. Challang here. Today, I'll do my first ever burping challenge. But what I'll be doing is a comparison to see which one makes you burp the longest. Place your votes below. Mr. Pepsi or Mr. Gatorade. I'm thinking Pepsi because Pepsi got lots of acid. So I got my trop in there just in case. So, anyways, boys, let's get started. Wow. Yeah, so, I think Gatorade's gonna lose. Pepsi. I like these new emoji things they got out. That's actually pretty funny. Try to make that face. I hate the sound of this. Alright. See if this makes me burp. Pepsi won. Oh man, what's up with me and trolling up and missing the troll up in? There we go, boys. That was the burping challenge. So, thanks for watching this video, guys, and, I got 0 subscribers, but please subscribe. I'm working my hardest trying to get good, and, I just want to have you guys be happy for me. So, that was just a little challenge, because I'm bored as fuck here, Bath. So, see you later with my next challenge. Dude, that's my challenge. Woo!